Hello, good evening. And Tashidele Tamalola. Madal Kalaswemba. Dal Sutsaira. Dal Tutsai and Demon Lutsaira. Tamantina Pasha Sway, Pasha Danguin Shamba. Marination Shaira Dangu, the Sway. And this one you do. This is fresh ginger garlic. Ginger and garlic. Onion, tomato, and jalapeno. I'm gonna put the onion first. You can give an intricate this can you need a hot tower. Put the walla Kazima colors and three jago and color go to Mudalasa. I had the color. Forget job any while I had just the teaching with my who do that. What is in there? Main do job that is roach. Kimala Manchester Village and the main did a tangy for the soul or this is indicated of this also now put this Musura. Shimayama and the Mohana somewhat the Chidudo. To show you also. Okay. So I'm gonna fry garlic, ginger and onion. Ginger, the garlic, onion I'm gonna fry a little bit. Then I'm going to put the jalapeno. And I'm going to make the lentil soup. This is the lentil. This is and I'm going to make today pork fry. Last night I marinated the pork so whole night, so I'm gonna make today. So I'll show you how I make the pork fry. Pork fry means pork gravy together. Pork gravy. Okay, so I'm gonna put the jalapeno. I'm going to fry a little bit jalapeno. I'm going to color so jalapeno is one loop of something around in a shada aluda, the shada and the subject mix and alura. And a subject to go to alura. I'm going to do this fried chicken. Masala the way the same masala, red chili powder and turmeric and mixed masala. This mixed masala. Here I think I put here 5 or 6 spicy and mixed together. So I don't want to put every time separate. So this is why I put everything together and mix it and I put one at a time. I have only three masala: turmeric, red chili powder, and the mixed masala. And here I put the ginger, garlic, jalapeno, and then I'm gonna put the tomato. Okay. So I'm gonna put the chili powder. Chili powder is depend on you how much you like spicy, you know. So I don't want to put too much because I put already jalapeno. So I can eat the spicy a little bit, but nobody can eat the spicy too much. So that's why I put only this much, half a spoon. And I'm gonna put the turmeric a little bit. This one I'm gonna put a little bit more because this one is the main masala. So here is like, if I told you before, like 6 or 7 ingredients I mix together. So this way I put like 2 spoons. So I'm gonna mix it. We have to mix nicely because all the masala to mix everything, you know. So I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna add the tomato. I'm gonna add this tomato. Down a little bit, yes. So I'm gonna fry this one slowly. So I'm gonna fry a little bit, so I'm gonna cut the pork. I'll show you. So this one is the pork I marinated last night. So I have two pork here, but I'm gonna make only one. So this one I'm gonna make some other dish. So I'm gonna make one sliced pork belly. This is pork belly. Sit down, share right now. I guess I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the pork. Pork belly. So I'm gonna eat the pork. 내주줄 담이 봐. 아니, 뭔지 알아. 콜웨네 봐. Brown fried it. I'm not gonna add the water because I'm gonna to fry a little bit. So I'm gonna put the little bit flame down and then fry it. And then I have already lentil soup, so I don't need the soup here. So just pork fry. Everyone has a different recipe, so this is my recipe. I don't have it too much, too many masala, too many. I don't want it. I don't like it, you know. So just I show you what I put in masala. I put masala. Okay, so I'm gonna fry this one. Fry this one. Then my lentil soup is almost done. So I'm gonna add the salt. Salt, some people they like too much salt. I don't want it. So I just put a little bit if I want. If you feel like a little bit less salt, so you can add later. Lentil soup is done. Cheers. Okay, so it's yum. 근데 박사한테 대체 못 먹거든. 그래서 박사를 so I have to fry nicely because it's pork. So it's not like a chicken and beef. This one is pork, so we have to cook, fully cook, you know. Otherwise, it's not good for the tell you, you guys understand. But chicken and beef is like, you know, we don't need to cook too much. Then the pork is little different. So we have to cook nicely, fully cook. Usually, you know, I think if you guys watch my previous video, I cooked the pork curry. Yeah, that time I used the pressure cooker, you know, the pressure cooker. So I have to whistle like a 4 or 5 whistle. So that one is easy. So today I don't want to do the gravy because I have already lentil soup. So that's why I use my pan. So I want to fry, you know, fry. So that's why I low flame. So I'm gonna fry like more than half an hour. So I'm gonna cook nicely. Yeah, so I will show you later after everything is done. So how it might home, you know, it looks like. My pork fry is done now. The salsa side. All done now. Okay, done my dinner.